Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, as you can see, I got another package in the mail. Got this off of eBay, using eBay bucks, using the eBay 10% off, not using the coupon from the quarter. So, got this 10% off, which wasn't a ton of money, but 10% off of anything coin related can be, a pretty good discount. So, it was one of the last ones that I needed, so I thought I'd take advantage of the eBay discount and pick one up. So why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this thing open. Sure, I need to cut it here. Let's start right there. Just over here. This, you guys, is gonna be cool. So it's one of those, man, how much time this box had? Merchandise enclosed packages. You've seen my videos before, I really like these things. I think they're pretty cool that they package them up like this. So it's pretty big, whatever it is in there. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and see what we have. Oh, look at this. It is a piece of gold. 1881S. Boy, let me take the plastic off. I'm a little surprised here with how big it is, because you know what? I did not order a graded coin. I ordered, let me see if I can turn this light down a little bit. I ordered a random year, $10 piece, which was almost a half ounce. But they sent it graded MS62 and 1881S. Wow. 1881. You know what? I need to hold it down here like this. What I need to do is then zoom in like that. Boy, this camera just doesn't do well with these bouncing off these plastic shells. But look at that. Should I be happy that they sent me a graded coin? I guess I should be, because now I know for sure that it's MS62. Now, I'm not real fond of ICQ, or ICG, sorry, that's a older grading company. I don't even think they're in business. They might be, but I don't think there's a whole lot of respect for this graded coin company. But that's still graded MS62, so wow, pretty cool, huh? Let's turn it around, oops, flip it over like this. And get those lights up, and there we go. $10, you can see at the bottom there. Yeah, just hard to see because of the plastic holder here, but yeah, pretty nice, huh? Graded coin. Wow, it's the first time that Liberty, I got this off Liberty Coin on eBay. It's the first time they ever sent me a graded coin. Interesting. Can get my reflection in there, so I have a little bit of jump in the video, that's why. Let's flip it over. 1881 Liberty Head. 1881S, so made from the San Francisco Mint. MS62, which is a respectable grade for sure. And it looks like the capsule has a little smudgy stuff on it, but just trying to look at some of the detail here. And if we can look at that mint mark, you see it's kind of hard to see. It's right below the barrels there. See it right around there. Yes, mint mark. Yeah, cool, huh? So let's flip it back over, get one more look at it. It's going to be a short video. Yeah, MS62, huh? Pretty nice. 1881. Wow, what an old coin. And ICG MS62 1881S. Alright, so one other thing I wanted to mention about this coin is the price. So at the time we bought this, using 10% eBay bucks, getting 10% off, we got this coin. Are you ready? This is the reason why we bought it. $48.67 below spot. That's right. Can you believe that? $48.67. And remember, when you're calculating the spot price, you don't want to use a half ounce. These coins are generally called half ounce, $10 Liberty heads. But really, they're 0.4838 ounces of gold in here. So it's a little bit below a half. And that makes a difference with how much gold is. You already need to do that calculation to make sure you're calculating the right spot price. So if you take whatever spot is, multiply by 0.4838, let's say it's $1,500, multiply that by 0.4838, and that'll give you how much spot value it's worth at the time you buy it. So yeah, $48.67 below spot. Anyway, I just wanted to make sure I included that in the video. Alright, well that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I greatly appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed, why don't you go ahead and do that now. And also, check out these 2 videos that just popped up. That's some great stuff out there for you. I'm sure you'll really enjoy it. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.